Hey y'all, I'm here with another Barbie unboxing, and today is actually my birthday, so I've been waiting to open these for a couple of weeks now actually, and I finally got a few together. There's a few more in the mail coming, but yeah, so just sit back and relax and just enjoy the opening. Let's see, let's go ahead and open this one. Okay, let's see. So, I don't remember which one came first or what, but right here, ooh, yeah, look at this one. So I think this is called Cruise Stripes or Roman Holiday, and let's see, these were made early 60s, so really cool. She looks like really retro, vintage. Yeah, that little zipper. Love this one. Yeah, I've been waiting for this. It's in really good condition. Yeah, I love that fabric. So cool. And the stitches. This one's really nice. Doesn't say Mattel inside, but it is. Yeah, looks really good. Awesome. So, let's see. This next one. Let's do this one. So this one's kind of bigger. I think. Let's see what it is. Oh, oh, it's like a petticoat it's for our plantation belle dress. Yes, Barbie vintage petticoat. So cute. Nice. And it's got a little clasp on the back. I gotta sew that back together. But inside, yes, this must be really old because it doesn't have any tag on it either. But so cute. I gotta wash it a little bit. It's a little dingy. Love it. This can go under her skirt. So, let's see. We're gonna do this big one next. Let's see what's inside this one. So yeah, let's see. I really got a bunch of 60s things, and this is for, oh, this is the plantation belle. This is a plantation belle purse. So I really love the mini fashion purses. So I've been wanting this one for a while, and I finally just splurged. I've been saving up, I guess, and yeah, don't want to mess it up. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at it. Wow, this one's in good condition too. All these buttons, oh my god, they're kind of iridescent. Wow. I like it, I like it, I like it. And I bought this one when I was in Mexico, like I ordered it online. So it kind of feels like I bought it in Mexico. So cute, you can put some mini fashion things in there. Nice, nice. Yes, very cute. Awesome. So, let's see. Now we've got a couple more. Which one do you guys want to do? You guys want to do this big one? This one's really cool. Cool. This one is, I put it with a cup in there. Oh, for a hat. Look at that. This is our plantation belle hat. Cute. Put some cotton in there for me. Nice. Yes. Yes. So I only really buy them if they're like near mint, or if they're in really good condition. Like I don't really buy them. I guess if they're a lot, that's fine. But Wow, look at this pattern. I don't even know where it starts, huh? Fancy, baby. Wow, look at that one. And then it's got a little hook on the back so it stays on the head really nice. This one's really old too, probably from 1960 or something. It's made of like this plastic. Wow. And then this is like on there. Trippy. Ooh. That's cool. Very fancy Barbie. Oh my god. Oh wait. I think it goes backwards, huh? Cute. And then this other white one. Let's see what's inside those ones. Oh, we got another one. Same kind. I just bid on 2 and I had to get 2, so there you go. And then let's see what's inside this one. I'm really excited about the new Barbie movie coming out. It's coming out later on this, I forget. But, oh, and I got a nice card that came in. Inside the card, a beautiful dress. This is for, I think it's Red Flame outfit. Yeah. So if you guys watched my last Barbie opening, we came up on a Red Flame jacket. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to start that whole outfit. Awesome. Pretty. So looks like this is the last one, y'all. Yeah. Let's see what's in this purple one. Let's see what's in there. Ooh. Look at they put it in. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god, look at they put it in. So cute. They like glued these on there for me. That's funny. What is that? I don't know, but cool. I hope this package brings you a day. This is a perfect birthday gift to myself. So pretty. Loves it. Really great condition. So if you watched my last video, I already have this dress, but this one is just in, oh man, what is that? This dress is so hard to like find in good condition. I didn't even notice this in the ad. It's fine, it's fine. Everything looks good. She's cute. Yes, love it. So yeah, thanks for watching y'all. Like this video and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Yeah, thanks. Bye. Oh wait, you guys, one more thing. This came with a cute card. Really pretty Barbie shoe. And it came with these cute little earrings. That was so nice of Kathy. Thank you, Kathy, if you're watching. Alright, you guys. Like this video and subscribe. Bye.